Okay, let's go.
I go like standing up.
Try it.
Why do it hurt?
Cause it's fun. Okay, go, go, go. Oh God. Oh. Come on, I got snow on my pads. I don't have every day.
That's fun.
It's cold. It's still going.
Okay.
Awa.
I made it halfway down.
Okay, I'm gonna try and go for real this time.
Okay. Don't crash into any trees. Clear of cars.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh. Yeah, yeah. That was so close to the lamppost.
Okay, if I would have stopped, I would have hit the lamppost.
Are you done? I'm done. It's too cold.
You're done?
You want to go down together?
Okay. Uh-oh. Daddy, I lost my phone.
Your what?
My phone.
Are you serious?
It's not in my pocket.
Sarah lost her phone on a hill, sledding. Oh Jesus. Is it over here where she fell? It's not over here.
Got it.
You found it. Okay. Now we're gonna go back up the hill, which is much steeper than it looks. Really, I promise. Because it's really hard to walk up in the snow.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm also talking to you. No, there's a car. My fingers are numb again.
Shit!
It's so cold.
Okay.
Okay. Front and back.
Back.
Okay. Get in first then? Yeah. Okay. You're pulling me up!
What?
You were pulling me up. That's how far she pulled me. Okay.
Okay, are you holding yourself?
Yeah. Okay.
Just give me a sec.
Should I start a new video?
No.
Okay. It's only 2:33. Okay.
Okay, go quick. I can't feel my legs.
You ready? This sucks. Okay, let's go. Shit.
Ow.
Okay, ready? Here we go.
Oh, shit. Steer, steer.
How do I steer? Lamppost! Oh. Okay.
Oh. Oh, fuck.
Let's go home now.
Hold on, let me call my mom to put on the